Another day, another story. Mastering the art of selling anything online. Your comprehensive guide. Introduction. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we dive deep into the world of online selling and help you unlock the secrets to success. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to sell anything online. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this comprehensive tutorial will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to maximize your online sales potential. One. Identify your target market. Understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. Conduct market research to gain insights into consumer behavior and trends. Create buyer personas to tailor your marketing efforts effectively. 2. Choose the right platform. Select the most suitable online marketplace or platform for your products. Evaluate options like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or social media platforms based on your target audience and product niche. Consider factors such as fees, reach, and customization options. 3. Optimize product listings. Craft compelling product descriptions highlighting unique features and benefits. Use high-quality images or videos to showcase your products from various angles. Incorporate relevant keywords for search engine optimization, SEO, to improve visibility. 4. Build trust and credibility. Establish a professional and trustworthy online presence. Encourage customer reviews and testimonials to build social proof. Offer secure payment options and display trust badges to inspire confidence. 5. Implement effective marketing strategies. Develop a multi-channel marketing approach combining social media, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your target audience and drive traffic to your online store. Create valuable content such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts to establish thought leadership in your industry. 6. Provide excellent customer service. Offer prompt and personalized customer support through various channels. Respond to inquiries and address concerns in a timely manner. Implement a hassle-free return and refund policy to build customer trust. 7. Analyze and optimize. Continuously monitor and analyze your sales performance and customer behavior. Utilize analytics tools to track key metrics like conversion rates, customer acquisition cost, and average order value. Make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing strategies and improve sales outcomes. Conclusion. Selling anything online requires a combination of strategic planning, effective marketing, and customer-centric approach. By following these steps and adapting to the ever-evolving digital landscape, you can position yourself for success in the competitive world of online selling. Remember, it takes time and effort, but with perseverance and the right strategies, you can master the art of selling anything online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos. Happy selling!